coming together is just a beginning. Staying together is progress, and then working together is success. It's not every day, right? We get together like this, can share the idea, build the connection, and also celebrate what actually will be strong.
Finally, I know these meanings of the Hitachi in this workshop. It doesn't matter where we are from. We help out and try to the teams together.
We should elevate the society. Besides selling product or to earn profits, building trust to the customers. Through the outdoor activities, we are able to build teamwork.
It's become like our backbone that for the next step. Collaborations can make the great innovations. If our employees, they support each other and they know that we are the same team, so we can achieve our goal through One Hitachi.
Hitachi has a long history in Thailand. Hitachi has some kind of stable company or trusty company. To promote this image to customer, this kind of branding strategy is very important. Hitachi is one group in Thailand. Then let's expand Hitachi's business Thailand together.
And everyone had demonstrated a Hitachi value, the three values: sincerity, harmony, and pioneering spirit. So these values you would embrace in everything that you do. Brand is a promise. To be proud of Hitachi brand, to do what you can to protect the brand. From now on, when you see the word inspire the next, please remember to ask yourself, what's next? And what's next starts with us.
What's next starts with us? Yeah.